Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'm really sorry I can't join you today for Eurofound's final conference on the pilot project, The Future of Manufacturing in Europe. You know, the Parliament originally proposed this project and we've entrusted Eurofound by DG Grow in the European Commission to actually work on it. So I'm very delighted on behalf of the Parliament to open your event where you'll have the opportunity to debate and discuss how best to shape technological developments, to promote economic growth and to improve working conditions. It will also be an opportunity to exchange best practice and draw on Eurofound's rich expertise. So the question is, what is the future of manufacturing in Europe and why is it important? Well, since 2008, economic and labour market developments have highlighted the fundamental importance of manufacturing for economies in the global era. Manufacturing has always been key to Europe's research and development, as well as our capacity for innovation. Yet today, the reality is that demand for the goods of European firms lies predominantly outside Europe. Almost 80% of Europe's exports are manufactured goods. At the same time, we know that we're on the cusp of a new industrial revolution. This project has been a timely opportunity to research and reflect more strategically about manufacturing as a whole. We see that technological innovations can lead to an increase in manufacturing productivity. In fact, wages are an ever smaller proportion of the total value added of products, so wage setting is becoming less important to where production is based compared to other factors like energy costs. And when the innovative link in the supply chain is in the manufacturing process itself, which is likely to be quite common with emerging technologies, it's both desirable and feasible that manufacturing remains and develops in the European Union. This is especially key if we are to keep R&D and other related services here too. It's true that the impact of new technological developments may be negative for employment as firms employ fewer numbers of workers in the process. But it can also have more positive impacts on employment in other stages of the supply chain. That's why this project has focused on the implications of various possible manufacturing scenarios for employment throughout Europe. Today you'll hear about different interesting findings such as the impact of technology on employment, the role and potential of SMEs, and how Europe can adapt its training and apprenticeships to get the most out of advanced manufacturing opportunities. Because the future of Europe is in manufacturing and the future of manufacturing is in Europe. I'm confident that this final report and the findings of the sub-projects will provide excellent food for thought for both policymakers and practitioners. It will also support policymakers in their performance monitoring task as part of the European semester and country-specific recommendations. I very much look forward to reading the report and hearing about the fruits of your discussions. As this Parliament's mandate draws to a close, I'd also like to take this opportunity to profoundly thank Eurofound for its invaluable work and for delivering this useful and timely project. Have a good conference.